Hi, in this tutorial, we will view how to configure a Duress output on a reader of a NetAXS Windows panel using the web interface. Begin by logging into it using Google Chrome. This feature will trigger an alarm when being forced to open the door. For example, during a robbery. To enable this feature, you will have to click on the menu icon on the top left corner and then Panel Configuration, or simply click Panels from the menu on the left. By default, you will appear at the Settings tab. Navigate through it till you find Behavior Settings. When you find Detect Duress, hit Enable, and then you will see a confirmation message. Just hit OK, and then hit Save. You will see how a successfully saved message will appear on the top right corner. Now, you will have to assign the reader that will detect this alarm. To do that, you will have to click also on the menu icon on the top right corner and then hit Configuration. In here, you will have to expand the space where you have this reader. Choose Card and Pin, and then you will see how Duress output dropdown will be enabled for you. In here, we are assigning output number 7 since it is the one that belongs to door number 2. And then, once you are done, hit Save. You will also see how a successfully saved message will appear at the top right corner. These features work as follows. If a PIN number is 2222, entering either 2221 or 2223 will open the door, but also will trigger a Duress pulse and generates an alarm. In this way, the person notifies others without detection by the unauthorized person. One detail is that if a PIN is ending in 0, Duress output will be tripped when a number 1 is used instead of number 0. For example, if you have a PIN number 2320, you will change that for 2321. For more information and videos, please visit our webpage, mywebtech.honeywell.com.